today I created Karwa Chauth makeup look for this year's 2020. I know it's going to be a closed ceremony, but nothing to worry. We have our relatives and families to enjoy with. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Prepping my skin with Ordinary High Spreadability Fluid Primer. This will give me a smooth canvas to work on, and I have already done my skincare before the makeup. Now I am using my e.l.f. Poreless Primer. This will give me a blurring effect to my enlarged pores around my mouth area and my nose area. With Rimmel Match Perfection foundation, I will start with my base makeup. I have already done a review on this. It's a very lightweight, medium coverage foundation that you can use for your everyday wear, and this has a nice dewy finish that will give you a healthy glow. Next, I am using my Flower Beauty concealer to highlight my higher points of the face, which is under my eyes, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, cupid's bow and the chin. This has got a nice golden undertone, so this will hide my dark circle and I will not have to go for extra product for color correction. With Rimmel Match Perfection Transparent Loose Powder, I will set the highlighted areas so that it does not crease on me. I will be baking under my eyes and I will keep it for a little longer until I do my eye makeup. Now with this Lakme 925 pressed powder, I will set my whole face with this. And for the brush, I am using a powder brush from BH Cosmetics. Also, don't forget to apply the powder to your neck area. Eyebrows done off camera. One eye is done off camera. I will do the other eyes with you beautiful people. Firstly, I am taking that pink shade and this will work as my transition shade. I will be building up the shade little by little. Then taking this burgundy red shade and I will place it onto my outer corner and then I will drag the product slowly. Taking a combination of this darker brown and black shade and I will place it just right onto my outer corner, and with this brush I will blend out the edges of that shade. With that burgundy red shade, I will blend out the edges of my outer corner to make it look soft and diffused so that there are no harsh lines, and then I will be cutting my crease with the eyeshadow brush and I will blend out the edges with the same brush. Then taking this burgundy red shimmery shade and I will place it on my entire eyelid area because my dress had some golden, so I took this bronzy shade. Then again taking the combination of those two shades, I will further blend out and diffuse the edges. With this golden shimmery shade, I will highlight my inner corner. And with my Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner, I will line my eyelids and I'm going to draw a nice cat eye wing for that. Applying some kajal onto my lower and upper lash line, and I'm using my Nykaa's I Am Black Kajal. With this brown shade, I will smoke out that kajal. And with this camel brown shade, I will further blow out the edges of that brown shade. Then with Stila Liquid Glitter eyeshadow, I will be placing on 1/3 of my lower lash line, and with this a brow bone shade, this is a matte bone color shade, I will highlight my brow bone area. It's time to contour and I'm using my LA Girl pressed powder and I will be contouring the usual areas like my cheekbones, the forehead, the jawline. Jawline because I have those extra fats and double chin. I know nothing can hide it, but still no harm in contouring the jawline, contouring the nose as well. Taking a bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I will be bronzing my whole face with it. Not whole face but the outer perimeters. And then taking this loose powder, and I will place it just below my contour shade. This will give me a reverse contour and it will give me a chiseled look. Now with this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush, I will blush the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I am using this Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the shade Nefertiti, and I will be highlighting the usual areas, highlighting the bridge of my nose, and then I will tap it with my finger to give a natural look. Using a generous amount of makeup setting spray to melt down all the powder products that we have used on our face. Curling my lashes before we get into the mascara. For mascara, I will be using Rimmel Glam Eyes Day 2 Night Mascara. This has got a volume and a lens side, and I will be using the lens side to coat the lashes. I will not be using any false lashes today because my eyes were really irritated, and using a combination of two lipstick, one is a bullet and other one is a liquid. I will apply that to my lips. Then with the same transparent setting powder, I will be erasing any mistakes that I have created. Here is the final look.